Body is cool. Oh, but we got a break. Wonder if that could be repaired. That's not good. We got a break. Got a break. I haven't had a break in a long time. Look at that. Ouch. I'll have to see if I can get it seated or not, if it'll still plant. It is the keyed foot. Yeah, it's not a good break at all. Like I said, I've been really lucky. I have not had breakage. So that'll be a claim. Yeah, that's a pretty bad break, but maybe it might be able to be glued. Got to send it to my friend Eric. He'll stand. He'll stand on his own. That's a shame. That's a shame. Dang it. Oh, that sucks. That's rough. That hurts. Yeah. No problem, guys. It happens. It does suck, though. But I got it from another collector, secondhand. Usually the packaging's really good, so I don't know what would have caused it. No, this was not new. This was secondhand. Yeah, Facebook group. Yeah, it was tightly sealed. Yeah, we'll figure out something. We'll figure out something. We'll have to file a claim. But I'm going to keep going, guys. I'm going to keep going. I'm not going to let this stop me. UPS, I believe. So we'll find out. We'll find out.
Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these two awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.